How to delete notification on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear Pinterest notification from your phone. It's quick and easy way, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the notification icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the inbox section. Now here in the inbox section, you'll see the list of all the notification. So simply locate the notification that you want to delete. And here, once you have located it, simply tap on the three dot icon beside that notification. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on delete update. And with that, you can repeat the process for any other notification that you would like to remove. And just like that, your Pinterest notification are cleaned up. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.